This has a couple of different components. We have an in-class and independent revision, and then we have an assessment. Conveniently, the acronym still stands, CRAM, CRAM. So we're going to start with in-class, because success starts in the classroom. And the first strategy I want to teach you guys is Cornell Notes. Now, this may be something that a teacher or a leader has tried to teach before, but in my experience, it's always done really poorly. So we're going to learn what it actually is. Now, Cornell Notes, why do we choose this strategy? Because it increases school results by 17%. That's almost 1/5 more than you're currently doing, okay? And the reason we want to do this is it's a method of taking notes during class that is consistent and effective, okay? And it sits in step 2 of CRAM, which is the revision. So here's what it looks like. Very simply, we're going to rule up our page like this. We have a line up the top, we have a line down the left-hand side, and we have a line dividing our summary section. When we're in class, we're going to do number 1 first, put our title. First thing at the start of the lesson. Number 2, actually going to do this main bit here. This is where we're going to jot down our main notes or our key thoughts when we're listening to the teacher, watching a video, or even going through the textbook. Then we're going to summarize those key thoughts into Q questions, or the main ideas. And then finally, down the bottom, we're going to summarize everything into a couple of main sentences. If we look at this, this is just color-coded. So up the top, we have our date and title in yellow. Then we have our green main section where all our notes go. Orange on the left, we have our main ideas, conclusions, and questions. Down the bottom in purple is our summary. Okay, and here's a final example of what this might look like. We're in class, we're learning about Guatemala. So up the top, we have our title, which we did first. As we were listening to the teacher speak or the information coming to us, we're making our notes, okay, on the right-hand side there. Once we've finished that, we're going to summarize those notes into the key ideas. Okay, so it has 4 neighboring countries, 3 regions, mountains, and volcanoes. Okay, and down the bottom, we have our summary. Okay, so that's summarizing the entire page into 2 sentences. Okay, so that is Cornell Notes. Really simple, really effective, and that is step 1 for success.